This is the go-to setup for a lot of people. We've got some Catless Downpipes, the Valvetronic equal length mid-pipe, and then we have our electronic valve controller in the rear. So this setup we say is the go-to for a lot of people because the equal length mid-pipe gives you that really exotic, enjoyable sound. The Catless Downpipes give you the volume, and then the valve controller gives you the flexibility. So now down low, the car really has an aggressive feel. It's very bassy. It's droney for sure, because that's kind of how these cars are. But the drone and the aggressiveness and the bassiness gives you some personality in the lower RPMs. So it's a very enjoyable sound experience. And with this combination, you get all the great sounds at all RPMs. We still recommend, if you're looking for the ultimate flexibility, to have the Valvetronic Design's rear section, because it gives you more flexibility between open and closed, and it smooths the exotic F1 sound more when the valves are opened up high, and then it's really, really quiet with the valves closed. So it gives you more dynamic personality, but this is still a great setup for most people, especially if you are on a budget, you want to buy the mid-pipe, get some downpipes, and then do this valve controller instead of spending $4,000 or $5,000 on a full titanium system. From us, you can do this for about 2,500 bucks. And of course, get great sound along the way.